Hi, second graders. Just checking in to see how you're doing. I wanted to also make sure that I took some time today to show you what our Seesaw post is going to look like. So I'm going to put myself in the corner and I'm going to pull up my screen. So here, when you get into activities today, and I'm going to click on where I'm going to go. You're going to click on activities and then it'll show up. And the activity you're going to be doing is Scaredy Squirrel. Now the directions are all read to you, but you're first going to start out by listening to the story of Scaredy Squirrel. And then after the story is over, you're going to click on the add response at the bottom. And you are going to give me some character traits that describes what Scaredy Squirrel looks like. So you can use your text box and you're going to say happy. And then move that around. Maybe you're going to draw a line pointing to what he looks like. And then if you get really good at it and you want to do more, you can add another page by going down here to the bottom. It doesn't want to click on it though. And you can add another sentence. Okay. Excited to see you try it.